Hi guys, I would like to show you the wearable health watch. It's a high-tech, stylish, and device that supports your wellness goals by offering comprehensive health tracking and fitness monitoring. This watch measures heart rate, blood pressure, and blood oxygen levels, and sleep patterns accurately. It also tracks steps, calories, and distance, and they have many sports modes. Look at this. This is the watch. It's so pretty. Watch delivers notification for calls, texts, and apps. And also has a userly friendly touchscreen with customizable faces. Also, it's water resistant up to 50 meters and the battery life is up to 10 days. So you don't need to worry if you leave the charger in other side. This watch is compatible with Android and iOS. You only need to download the app. The app is called Wikerman. I'm going to show you what include inside the box and we can see other things about this watch. So the box include the instruction for start for to using your watch and they include the magnetic charging cable. After reading the instruction, you can start using your watch. This is the notification for I have from my phone. This is calls, text, and other apps that I have. This is the menu. You have here contacts, music, the brightness. I have heart rate, blood pressure. This is a clock, and blood pressure, heart rate, it's music, this one. I have a lot of things inside this watch. So if you like this product, you only need to do is go to the page and buy this watch. Thank you.